Today I have the 38-inch optically white umbrella, and you can see how fast this is to set up. Now we've moved the model into a new outfit, different location. And remember, the first photographs were me just trying to show you the quality of light coming out of the umbrellas. But now we're gonna do an actual shoot. You can kind of see me working on location. So I'm in this place and we can see the brightness in here, and all I need to do is overpower it and make sure that I have the same color temperature on my light as in here. Now I have the black backed umbrella and I'm gonna feather it off this pillar. See the pillar really bright? And now it's not. So that's why you wanna use a black backing umbrella if you're trying to get a little more control out of your light, or just do it in Photoshop. So take a look at that camera there. Let's make sure the light's up high enough, and it's really not. And feather it off. Let's take a few photographs. Okay, so now I've just added the diffuser onto the 38-inch umbrella, and you can see it's still very fast to set up. So once you have that on, you can put it on here and then pull the fabric over it. Now, why am I doing this? Because she's gonna be photographed on this grid, and I want it to reflect the beautiful soft diffused light. So by putting this on there, it'll really bring some beautiful highlights on that heating grid. So I'm gonna tie this up, make it look pretty, and pull that over, turn the light on, aim it at her, and now I can see the glow already on the bronze there. And we have this in there all the way. Just checking that, make sure that's perfect. And look how quick and fast that is. We're gonna do a few poses here, and she's past the carpet, so I probably won't let this carpet show. So she's gonna lean on there. And then I'm gonna give her a few ideas, you know, play with the wall, play with the hair. They know what to do, but you gotta just get them started. All right, let's take a picture here. Beautiful. Look at how that grid is just glowing for us. Now I'm shooting on a tripod, and the reason for that is once I frame up my background, if I'm handheld and I'm too low or too high, I'm gonna get my parallax is messed up. So you can see how easy these lights are, quick to set up. When you're not using a softbox and you're using an umbrella, it sure is a lot quicker and faster to get to the shot and move along, because your finger will start hurting if you take too many pictures.